guys, it's Roy here from rwilco12 and epicdroid.com. I had the awesome opportunity to go to CES this year. It was my first time and it was an incredible experience. CES was a whirlwind of sights and sounds. There were thousands and thousands of vendors there and hundreds of thousands of attendees. I think the final number came out to somewhere around 180,000. It didn't matter where you looked, there was something to see and experience. You just had to wade your way through the insane crowds to get to it. There were a ton of booths that were featuring the same types of things, just in a slightly different format and a different reason why theirs was better than everyone else's. I think I've now seen more TVs, chargers, dancing robots, various VR headsets and accessories, drones, retro arcade consoles, and smart home accessories than I ever knew existed. Despite there being a lot of repetition in the types of products, there were a few standouts that really caught my attention. The first and the biggest, and the one that will probably have the most impact on me, was the Nvidia RTX 2060. It is a new graphics card that only costs about $350 and packs a massive punch. It is an insanely powerful card that really opens up the possibility of bringing a more realistic gaming experience to the masses. For me, it packs in a lot of power for video editing and content creation. I have been tethered to a super old video card for the last several years because upgrading was just too much money for me. I will be getting the new RTX 2060 and I can't wait to see what I can do with it. Now, the most fun I had at CES was working out, and those are words I never thought I would say. NordicTrack and HTC partnered together to create a VR experience featuring a stationary exercise bike. The bike is much more than just a stationary bike though. It pairs with the HTC Vive and puts you into a world where you are riding what is basically a flying bicycle. You pedal in order to give the bike thrust and start moving. The bike also comes with handlebars that act as a form of a joystick. You push forward to go down, you pull back to go up, you turn it left to turn left, and right to turn right. It also comes with the requisite trigger button so that you can launch rockets at various targets along your path. As you move in the virtual world, the bike moves as well. Go up, the bike inclines up. Go down, it inclines down. And all the while, there's a fan that serves the dual purpose of making you feel like you're actually moving with the wind in your hair, and it also keeps you cool. I was having so much fun that even though I had already walked about 10 miles that day visiting all of the different booths I saw, I didn't even feel it and went back for a round two. One other invention that deserves an honorable mention is the smart bathrooms, especially the smart toilets. I have no idea what need I have for a smart toilet. I don't think I'm ever going to be sitting there and saying, Alexa, I need to go to the bathroom, but they were really cool. These things had heated seats, they had automatic bidets where you can adjust the length and the positioning of them. They had music, they had all sorts of really cool things. I'm never going to get one, but it was still kind of cool in its own special way. There were a lot of other really cool things, and there were also a lot of weird and or unnecessary things too. I saw VR 3D ultrasounds. I saw the aforementioned smart toilets, smart showers and tubs. I saw lots and lots of massage chairs. I saw electric skateboards and scooters, prosthetic hands that respond to your brain activity, headbands that help you focus, bracelets that fix your balance, kitty litter boxes that tell you when your cat's poop smells really bad. There were fancy cars, there were smartwatches, fitness bands, phones, a bread making vending machine, and so much more. If I had to do it all again, I definitely would. CES was a blast and I cannot wait to go next year. If you guys have any questions about CES or the products that were shown there, feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below. We will reply as soon as we are available. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, I just want to take a quick second to tell you all thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and you all have an awesome day.